Mission accomplished. We found her booze. Okay, so blinking yellow means I can still go, but cautiously.
You can,
right?
but you what? What is the rules? That means you
Yield.
can't. Yeah, you have to yield to anybody that's coming. It's like having a green arrow, or now they're making it yellow, so you caution to others.
I'm not gonna force it.
Okay, ready? Okay. So once you get your bearings back again, you probably could have scooted between those two. And that would have
I probably could have. Because I have scooted before.
Yeah, we'll show everybody where we're going. Going down 5A Road. That's all there is to it. 5A Road. Which we won't be doing this much longer. We will be
at the
100% at the Soaring Eagle Ranch.
/ homestead. We're going to
/ homestead.
You will hear us refer to it as the homestead. So don't be confused.
Definitely.
The homestead is the ranch.
Yeah, especially with today's economy, we're even more anxious to become self-sufficient and get our garden going and get our livestock that we want. We're still trying to decide. We're going to go visit a friend in Georgia, and we're going to see how he does everything so we can learn. But we'll see how that goes. All right, back to Joey. All righty, let's see if we can stay on the road.
I'm sorry, it's like you said, new van, different van. It doesn't take the bumps differently.
It's all right, you'll get used to it.
Hey there. Get it over.
That's all right. You'll learn it. It's been a few months.
Only a few?
So tomorrow we'll work on making a seat,
Yes.
a better seat. Because you look good where you're at right now.
Yeah. And actually, it's not doing this yet.
No, you're good. So we're gonna look for some new captain's chairs for this van. It's a 2002, and we have switched around some chairs out of the
97 E150.
1997 E150, and they're wearing out now. And all the original seats for the 02 are wearing out now. So we're gonna look for something really comfy because we really live in our vans. 550 on the E150, and we've got almost 300,000 on the E350, the 2002. So it's time to make sure we're comfy because we have several trips.
And he's not here, so I can poke some fun at him. I think my dad is starting to slip because he even said, he told me to go on the LKQ website and see what they have priced for just general bucket seats. And he said, if we have to, we'll just get some. If they look nice and feel nice, we'll get some out of a GM if we have to and modify them.
Yeah, whatever it takes.
For my dad to say that, that is something because we are die-hard Ford family.
So when you watch this video, in the comments below, tell us which captain's chairs or van seats do you think we should look for, and we'll take a look and see if that works out for us. We'd really like something really comfortable.
I'm gonna poke through Winn-Dixie again.
You don't have to.
Well, I want to get off the road.
Okay.
I'm not super crazy about the way this throttle changed all of a sudden like that.
I think it just settled in.
It did, but
I don't think it's loose.
Dad did it, so it's probably fine, but it's probably just my paranoia. I don't want to.
It's just your first time out. Okay, I'm sure it's fine. As long as it doesn't come apart, that's all that matters. So you can turn in with that white car, as that'll get you into the parking lot.
Yep.
Won't it be nice when you go by yourself and I don't have to tell you what to do?
I won't know what to do with myself.
Be like, oh crap, where was I supposed to turn?
back to the house? Should I go for the gold and try to back this thing in like we had
Well,
it?
if you really want to, you can do whatever you want. I don't
Hey,
care.
I got these nice mirrors. I can see.
Yes and no. I have trouble backing up with them.
Well, that's you.
Okay. Yeah, and you notice they did put the speed bumps back in the
Oh,
parking
yeah.
lot. So, stop in front of the new liquor store and see if there's a sign on there that tells us when they're opening. You know where it is, right?
At the end, right?
Yeah, it's the old hardware store.
Yeah, the old hardware store.
Yeah, the original hardware store. So now I know why the hardware store here moved over across the street with an annex across the street.
Right.
Because they need
That
a
makes
storage
sense,
area.
yeah.
Okay, you got a stop sign on this side too. That's for incoming traffic. Everybody doesn't stop, so if you just don't remember one day, that's because everybody doesn't remember. Go ahead, go. Otherwise you don't stop it. So if you want, pull over. They didn't pull the signs down yet, the covers. Pull over there. Pull over next to the yellow curb. Okay. Okay, they're not open yet. Is there any signage that says they'll be open soon? Move up, move up, move up.
Oh,
Okay, they still got the permit up.
store hours. Yeah, okay.
They still got the permit up.
Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. or 9 to 9. 10 to 7 on Sunday.
Okay.
Okay, so they're not open.
No. Nope, but we'll watch for the grand opening.
Go ahead, dude.
Oh, he's got a project. He's got a project. Oh, we have a project to do. Aha.
Let's go see what he's doing.
Yeah. He's definitely got a project on that roof.
I'm gonna laugh if he loses it.
No, I don't think so. I think he's almost home probably. Oh, more speed bumps. My favorite thing. Oh, and then we have all the people without homes. Oh, he got too far ahead of us. I don't know where he's going.
Yeah, well, we're on a rough road. I don't want to shake you to death.
Oh.
I don't want you to feel like you're riding in the Jeep.
Oh, I know. Can't wait till you get the Jeep going. We'll go out trailing.
Trail riding, yep. Trail riding, rock crawling, mudding. You name it.
Call Michael. He'll take you to a good place for mudding. He goes all the time.
Jasher gets that thing wet or dirty?
Oh, yeah. Hey, he took Lily for her birthday.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Lily's my
I thought there used to be
granddaughter.
a stop sign here. I guess not.
No, I think somebody knocked it down.
Yeah, I guess I'm obeying the law.
Yep. So we gotta figure out how you're gonna reach blinkers.
I'll just pull that extension off the Clifford.
Yep, it'll go on this one. And then, what else? Cushion. Okay.
Well, overall, that was a successful first drive in months.
Yep.
One little bump in the road that was technically not my fault, but it was my fault. Publix does not have the bumpers at the head of the parking spots, so naturally I just kept creeping until I thought I was gonna hit a bumper, but they didn't have a bumper, so kind of kissed the post of the handicap sign, but no damage. And Mom didn't have a heart attack, so we're good. And overall, I like the way the one-ton drives. They really do.
Yep.
I think it drives better than mine.
Yep. It's newer, yet you can still work on it. You don't have to take it to the dealer for every hiccup.
Nope, and we can work on it if we need to use the scanner. We can use our old ancient scanners.
That's right. Okay, now we're going to attempt to back up into the driveway. Just don't hit the mailbox. It already needs work. Straighten up.
This way? My way? Your way?
My way. Probably going to hit that pile of weeds that's over there.
Yeah, not
Look
yet.
in the small mirror.
No, I'm clear.
Okay. Okay, straighten up so you don't hit the lemon tree. Okay, don't oversteer. Remember that? You had to learn that. Not to overdo. Don't overdo everything. See the red van?
Yeah, I'm nowhere near the red van. Yeah, I'm still getting
Yeah.
past the...
Cherry tree.
Yeah. I'm kind of close to the cherry tree.
Yep. Gonna be a pain to get out of it. Okay, watch the red van. Turn too far, you'll hit the red van. Go straight past, go straight back past the cherry tree. You should be just right. How close are you to your van? Not bad?
So, yeah, I mean,
Okay.
I got some room to spare.
Okay.
Well, successful first drive. Pretty soon I'll be getting my license. And so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to build it up into something. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.